Imagine a leaky faucet, but instead of dripping water, it drips cryptocurrency. Yes, you heard right, free money. Well, not quite free and definitely not a lot of money, but still, free crypto. These magical internet fountains of digital coins are called crypto faucets. Think of it like finding a couple of cents on the sidewalk. Not enough to quit your day job, but hey, it's something. That's essentially what a crypto faucet is. A way to get your hands on teeny tiny bits of cryptocurrency. Now you might be thinking, why would anyone give away free crypto? Good question. It's mostly about getting people interested in the wild world of cryptocurrency. It's like a free sample at the supermarket, but instead of cheese, it's digital money. Okay, so you're intrigued by this whole free crypto thing, but how do you actually get it to flow your way? Well, it's actually pretty simple. You sign up on a crypto faucet website or app and complete some easy tasks. These tasks can range from watching ads, we know, ads are the worst, to filling out surveys or playing games. Some faucets even make you solve CAPTCHAs. Those annoying prove you're not a robot things. Once you've done your digital chores, you'll earn a small amount of cryptocurrency. Think of it like earning points on a rewards card. But instead of getting a free coffee, you're building up your crypto stash. Now, don't expect to become a crypto millionaire overnight. These faucets usually give out tiny fractions of a cryptocurrency, but hey, every little bit counts, right? Just like there are different types of real faucets, bathroom, kitchen, those fancy ones with sensors, there are also different types of crypto faucets. Each one has its own quirks and ways of rewarding you with those sweet digital coins. The most common type is the task-based faucet. This is your classic do-a-thing. Get a reward setup. Watch an ad, fill out a survey, solve a CAPTCHA. The more you do, the more you earn. Then there are gaming faucets. These combine the thrill of playing games with the excitement of earning crypto. Level up your character, complete quests, and watch the digital coins roll in. We also have ad-based faucets. These rely on, you guessed it, ads to generate revenue. You watch or interact with ads, and the faucet shares a small portion of their earnings with you. It's like a tiny rebellion against the advertising overlords. And finally, there are staking faucets. These are a bit more complex, but essentially you earn rewards for holding a specific cryptocurrency in your faucet-linked wallet. Think of it like earning interest on your savings account, but instead of a bank, it's a crypto faucet. Section 4. Why should I care about crypto faucets? Okay, so we've established that crypto faucets won't make you rich quick, but that doesn't mean they're not worth your time. In fact, there are some pretty compelling reasons to give them a try, especially if you're new to the whole cryptocurrency game. First and foremost, crypto faucets are a risk-free way to dip your toes into the world of digital currency. You don't need to invest any of your own hard-earned money to start earning crypto. It's like a free trial for the crypto world. Second, using a crypto faucet is a great way to learn the ropes of how cryptocurrency works in practice. You'll get familiar with concepts like cryptocurrency wallets, transactions, and the blockchain. Don't worry, we won't bore you with the technical details. Third, crypto faucets can be fun. Who doesn't love earning rewards for playing games or watching videos? It's a great way to kill some time and maybe learn a thing or two about cryptocurrency along the way. Section 5. The good, the bad, and the ugly truth about crypto faucets. Now, before you rush off to sign up for every crypto faucet under the sun, let's have a little dose of reality. While crypto faucets can be a fun and easy way to earn free crypto, there are some downsides to be aware of. First, the rewards are, to put it bluntly, minuscule. We're talking fractions of a penny per task. So unless you're planning on spending your entire life clicking on ads and solving CAPTCHAs, don't expect to make a living from this. Second, some faucets have ridiculously high withdrawal limits. This means you might have to accumulate a significant amount of cryptocurrency before you can actually cash out. It's like finding out the free coffee at the end of the loyalty program requires you to drink 1,000,000 cups first. Finally, some crypto faucets are, let's just say, not very reputable. There are scams out there, so it's important to do your research and stick to well-known and trusted faucets. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, there you have it. Crypto faucets, a fun and risk-free way to get started with cryptocurrency, but don't expect to retire early on your faucet earnings. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some CAPTCHAs to solve.